everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a popcorn stitch. A popcorn is when you work 5 double crochets into a single stitch and then you'll connect them together at the top. This is similar to making a bobble, except you'll complete each double crochet before moving on to the next one. So I'm going to start by working my first double crochet into the stitch. There's one double crochet, and now I'm going to work 4 more double crochets into the same stitch. So here's my 5 double crochets. Now I'm going to take my hook out of the working loop, and I'm going to insert it into the top of the first double crochet that I made. Then I'm going to put the working loop back on my hook and pull it through that first double crochet. Pull the yarn tight, and then I'm just going to secure the top a little bit more by yarning over and making a chain. And that's how you do a popcorn stitch. I hope you guys find this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.